breakfast right now. I just went to Big Chicken. What did I do? I hacked it up again. I took the bacon egg biscuit with sausage and cheese, and then I had the honey glazed spicy chicken and I added it to it. What a great breakfast sandwich. Here we go. That is incredible. Incredible. Oh, thank you. What do we need to wash it down with? Coffee. But you can only do it the way I always do it. Take it all the way down. Oh, that coffee was so good. I'm gonna have another bite. Excellent. Excellent. Until next time, everyone. Keep on dreaming.
One juice is orange, carrot, cayenne, lime. Number 2, pineapple, ginger, turmeric, honey, and lime. Number 3, the one in the middle, kale, romaine, apple, and lemon. And number 4, we have a pineapple, apple, beets, and ginger. And then the last one is a kale, spinach, parsley, and apple.
Ooh,
All the
kale
juices.
spinach. Ooh,
Yes.
I'm gonna have to try that one.
Yeah.
All right, thank you so much. Hey guys, I'm on the Radiance in the dining room at the Sea Day Brunch. I found another burger. It's called the Voyage. It's the fried egg, hash browns, bacon, all in one. I gotta talk really quiet because everybody's watching. Let's try this burger out. Oh, it's gonna be so good. Look at that. Look at this burger. Excellent. Excellent. Again, the Voyage Sea Day Brunch. You gotta try it out. You don't even need to make it yourself. You can order it and always get your juice. You saw that juice, that little bit of juice video? Gotta have one of those too. Until next time, everyone. Oh, stop!
There you are.
My juice is here. Until next time, have a good one. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'll be right back with that.